Well, 96 being today's high was now the hottest day of the year so far. 7 degrees above average, still below that record of 102 set back in 1952. But at times it felt like close to the record because the heat index got above 104 to 105 at times this afternoon. Temperatures area-wide still for many without the storms in the 90s. For others, temperatures have eased back to the 70s and 80s thanks to that rainfall. That's that one benefit of the rain. It'll still be awfully humid, but at least it brings that air temperature down just a bit. Notice again, still some spots above the century mark for the heat index, but others rain cooled. So tomorrow is going to be just like today. For two reasons, we are weather alert. The heat advisory extended through tomorrow, where the heat index could reach as high as 105 at times. But along with that, a level 1 risk of strong to severe storms. Not every storm will be severe. For most, it'll just provide some heat relief. But a few other isolated storms may have some damaging wind gusts, and the slow movement like we've seen today could allow for excessive runoff and localized areas of flooding. Here's where we stand now. Not everybody's seeing storms, but for some, they're slow moving and they're kind of strong right now, especially in northeastern parts of Alabama. And then farther north, a few isolated stronger storms, Pikeville up to Crossville. We focus on these first of all. This whole complex of storms gradually drifting off to the north, a little bit of that outflow extending into Dade County, but two separate warnings here stretching across DeKalb and Jackson County, then farther west over Jackson and Franklin County. But this storm could provide some strong wind gusts around Stevenson, upwards of 60 miles an hour. A lot of lightning with that as well, even some half-dollar size hail. There's a general drift now off to the north and back to the west a bit, so that warning extended into portions of Franklin and western parts of Jackson County till 7 o'clock Eastern time, 6 o'clock Central. Same reason. Wind gusts upwards of 60, tremendous amount of rain, could cause some flooding, but also notice that lightning risk as well. Farther north, these are weakening just a bit, but be aware of the lightning risk north of Pikeville, and then farther back near Spencer and Van Buren County, a lot of these are fading out. The outflow for some of these may still provide some pop-ups here and there this evening, but all of this will gradually fade with loss of daytime heating through the evening hours. They're not lasting all night long. Tomorrow we do this process all over again. A very muggy start. Temperatures going above 90 as early as midday, and then into the afternoon, a scattering of showers and storms. If you missed out today, your chances may be a little bit higher tomorrow, but still it's on a scattered basis. Where you do see these, be aware of the heavy downpours, the lightning risk, and some may provide some damaging wind gusts. Most will fade during the evening hours, and Friday, same process again. This will be a pattern we got to get used to for the next several days. So when you see the 7-day forecast, don't cancel your outdoor plans, but be aware that at times scattered storms will chase you inside. Be aware of the lightning risk and the risk of heavy downpours. At the very least, it'll provide a little heat relief at times. Temperatures tomorrow still mid-90s. Heat index at times going above 105, but also be aware of the chance for those afternoon storms popping up. Over the next several days, the chance of you encountering an afternoon storm does go up, but it doesn't mean all-day rainfall. It's primarily afternoon and evening hours, heat-driven storms. Highs will average in the lower 90s with the addition of clouds, bringing temperatures down a bit, but it's still very muggy with morning lows in the 70s.
All right, David Glenn.